We recap a story that we alluded to earlier on. Lawyers have criticized the Judicial Service Commission over the sacking of the now former Chief Judiciary Registrar Gladys Shollei. The Law Society of Kenya and the East African Law Society reprimanded the JSC for handling the matter so casually. The lawyers say the wrangles risk eroding progress made in reforming the judiciary. They maintain that the law established the Judicial Service Commission requires to rethink and put in place checks and balances to reduce the powers of the JSC.
I think that the manner in which the Judicial Service Commission has handled the whole thing is quite pedestrian. I did not expect that a commission of such a repute will handle a matter as simple as dealing with the registrar of the judiciary in such a pedestrian manner. And I hope that we are going to take a step back, that this matter is going to be handled with the soberness that it requires. The judiciary has gone through a lot of changes in the recent. First, it was the radical surgery. Secondly, we had the vetting board that removed quite a number of judges and magistrates. And secondly, we now are hoping that under the new constitution, we are going to have a fairly sober way of building a new judiciary. All that is happening is not helping us at all. And I think as lawyers, it is important that we now advise that all these press conferences running from this media houses to that media house will stop. We must therefore be able to address the issues that is happening in the judiciary in a sober manner. And secondly, I think that even as Parliament take up this matter, it is important that Parliament should also act with a lot of sobriety. If we as a country do things in anger, that because you removed so and so, we must also therefore remove you. I mean, that is not the way to run a country. Let's find a way. Is there a problem with the legislation that set up the Judicial Service Commission? If there is a problem, that is where the dress should be, checks and balances.